Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate how to configure user management on the Colorlight Universe series video splicing processor on the web interface. First, click Advanced Settings. Then, under User Management, locate the admin account. You can change the admin username and password here. To create a new user, click New User, enter the username and password. Then click OK. The user is now created. Click the user status to enable or disable it, or to change the password. Click Permission Settings to define access rights for standard users. The administrator can restrict functions such as screen, input, splicing, device, and other advanced settings features. Click Confirm to save the permissions. Now log out of the current admin account and log in using the new user credentials. As you can see, the top navigation bar now only shows screen management and advanced settings. Within advanced settings, only the permissions section is available. And that's it. User management configuration is complete. Thanks for your watching.